Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing good. It's a quick tutorial on just to build a flat, let's say 6 by 8 meter stage with steps on both sides. Just a flat platform. First things first, you go to your file, you say save, and then it will prompt you to save, and then you say tutorial 1. Alright, there we go. Now your name is changed there. You go to your shapes, a rectangle tool, you go to your top view, it's very important, and you click, drag it out, you type 6000, check on my bottom left corner, 6000 by 8000, see, enter. Hey, what's that? 6000 by 8000. Go enter, and that's your stage. Sorry, that was supposed to be 8000 by 6000, but it's not a train smash. But I will click that and say rotate by 90 degrees. There we go. Move it to my center origin. So that's the first step. So if I orbit this, it's just a flat platform. See, there's a guy standing there. This is just to give you perspective. I can get rid of this guy now, and then I want my stage to be, let's say, 900 millimeters high. I go to this tool right here, push and pull. I orbit up, I click, drag, and I type 900, enter. There is my stage. That's just a simple stage of 6 meter by 8. So I want steps on both sides. Here's how I normally do it. I want my step to be 1.2 meters wide. Go on my measuring tool, the corner of that, I drag it out, I do 1200, enter. It will give me a point of 1200. I draw a line from the top to the bottom, just so that I separate these two. Whatever I do here doesn't affect here. So each step is 150 millimeters high. So I measure 150, 150, another 150, another 150, another 150. Oops, sorry about that. Another 150, another 150. There we go. So I draw lines from the left to the right on all of those 150 points. I hope I am not being too quick. I draw lines like that, draw lines like that. Okay, so I count how many steps I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the quickest way to do this is that each step is 300 millimeters in depth. It's 150 high, 300 millimeters in depth. So you count your steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I've got 6 steps, you go 300 times 6. That means your longest step should be 1800 millimeters. So you pull, you go to the pull tool, push and pull, you pull this out, you say 1800. All of these values you can just type out and press enter, they come in. So for every step that comes after that, all you do is just to subtract 300 from the last number. So from 1800, it's going to be 1.5. From 1005, it's 1200. Sorry, it's 1200. From there, you go 900. From 900, you go 600. From 600, you're left with 300. So that's your step on the one side. All these marks, you can just click and delete all of these marks, all of these marks. Oh, oops, sorry about that. Be very careful to not delete your surfaces. But all these marks, you can just click and delete, so that they are not there anymore. You don't necessarily need them. It was just a form of a guideline to show you where you need to draw your lines. Okay, let's let that one be for now, and then we can go on the other side, do the exact same thing that we did there. Measuring tool, bottom, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, and then from this side 1200. This is very important for when you're drawing things to scale, so that you know that how they're gonna look exactly. So we're gonna draw our lines, 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 draw our lines there. There we go. Remember what I said, 300 times 6, the 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Do 300 times that, 1800, 1005, 1002, 900, 600, then 300. All right, so there we go. That's just our normal stage. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, we're just gonna draw division line from that point to that point, and that point to that point, to just separate this part from the steps. There we go. Naturally this will just come white like that. If you want to change your color, there's a bucket tool that you click on. Your colors will be on the far right. You choose which color you want. I want my stage top to be black grayish. There we go. Or I want everything to look like that. There we go, there we go. You just click and it will take the color that you chose. So there we go. I hope that will help.